Where you going?
Duck. Duck. Nanny. 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 Nanny.
Poor Lexi. Oh, are we gonna go down the slide again? You're gonna go forward, aren't you? Oh, is that fun? Is that fun? Now where are you going? You going back to Lexi again? Aww. Whoa, careful. Okay, let's go in the playground again. Come on, let's go this way. This way. I know. Ah, let's go this way.